Well, folks, in this next scene, this bird comes in so fast, comes out of a little draw, and he's right there in my face, so I can't move. He doesn't quite know what I am. He takes off, and when he slows down, you can see what happens, so stay tuned. Well, this morning we had a bird that kind of hung up on us, and he had a couple hens with him, so we had to get up. We moved about a quarter mile around him, got on top, and the hens came to us and flew over us. Don't know how much footage we got. My wife was filming, she's new at this,